Hello everyone, my name is Kaite and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful shawl. It is an easy pattern and you can adjust the size. For this project I'll be using number 4 medium weight yarn with a 5.5mm crochet hook. You don't have to use number 4 medium weight yarn, you can use any yarn of your choice, just adjust the hook size. We're going to start with a slip knot and a chain of 65. If you like to change the size of this shawl or if you're making a scarf, this pattern is worked using multiples of 3 plus 4. Continue chaining and I'll meet you at the end once I have a total of 65 chains. I finished chaining a total of 65 chains, and for row 1 we're going to start by working 1 double crochet using the 5th chain from the hook. So don't count the loop that's on the hook, but count the chains. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Into this 5th chain, go ahead and work 1 double crochet. And right over here with these chains, we worked our first V-stitch. And for this row, we're going to continue by skipping 2 chains. So don't count this one right here where you worked your double crochet into, but start counting right next to it. So here's 1, 2, and into the 3rd chain, you're going to work your next V-stitch. And to work a V-stitch, we need 1 double crochet, chain 1, and work 1 double crochet back into that same chain. So right over here, we just worked on a V-stitch. And let's repeat this pattern. We're going to skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the 3rd chain, work 1 V-stitch. And to work a V-stitch, we need to work 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet, all worked into that same chain. And this is how it looks like so far. Let's continue. We're going to skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the 3rd chain, work a V-stitch, which is 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet, all worked into that same chain. Let's repeat this again. Skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the 3rd chain, work a V-stitch, which is 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet, all worked into that same chain. Let's work on this again. We're going to skip 2 chains and into the 3rd chain, work 1 V-stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet, all worked into that same chain. You're going to continue and work on this pattern across, and I'll meet you at the end of this row to show you how to finish it. I'm coming to the end of row 1. And I have a total of 20 V-stitches, which includes the V-stitch right over here in the beginning with the chains. So I have a total of 20. And we're going to go ahead and work on the last one together. And right over here we have 3 chains left. We're going to skip 2 chains and into the last chain work 1 V-stitch, which is 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, and at the end we have a total of 21 V-stitches. Now if for any reason you have 2 chains left or 4 chains left, just make sure you finish with a V-stitch worked into the last chain. Row 2 will be our repeat row, and we're going to start by chaining 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn your work. And this chain 4 stands as the first double crochet with 1 chain, and right over here into this first V-stitch, into the chain 1 space, you're going to work 1 double crochet. And you're going to start each row this way by chaining 4 and working 1 double crochet into the first V-stitch or the chain 1. Now go ahead and look for your next V-stitch, and the V-stitch is right over here, so you'll see the 2 double crochets worked into that same chain. And right over here, this is the chain 1 you're looking for, not the space right here. You're looking for the 2 double crochets worked into that same chain, and into that space work a V-stitch. So into this chain 1 we're going to work 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet, all worked into that chain 1 space now. And right over here we worked our second V-stitch. Let's repeat this again. So you're going to look for the next V-stitch, and right over here you'll be able to see the 2 double crochets worked into that same chain. So into this chain 1 space, go ahead and work your next V-stitch by working 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet, all worked into that same chain 1 space. And you're going to repeat this. So right over here, skip this double crochet and skip this double crochet. So skip 2 double crochets, and right over here you'll see the chain 1 space. Into that chain 1 space, work a V-stitch, which is 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. And for row 2, you're just going to repeat this pattern. Into each V-stitch, you're going to go ahead and work a new V-stitch. So you're going to work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet here, and then repeat this all across, and then I'll meet you at the end of row 2 to show you how to finish it. And this is how it looks like. I'm coming to the end of row 2, and I have 2 V-stitches left. So right over here is our next V-stitch. Let's go ahead and work a V-stitch using that chain 1 space. 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, all worked into that same chain 1 space. And right over here is our last V-stitch with the chains that we did. So into this V-stitch, we're going to go ahead and work another V-stitch. We're going to work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, all worked into that same space, the chain space. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 2. And for row 3, we're going to repeat row 2. We're going to start by chaining 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn your work. This chain 4 stands as the first double crochet with the chain 1. Back into this very first V-stitch right here where the chain 1 is. Go ahead and work 1 double crochet to finish our first V-stitch. And now we're going to look for the next V-stitch, and right over here you'll be able to see these 2 double crochets all worked into that same chain space. You're going to work a new V-stitch using the chain 1 space. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, all worked into that same chain 1 space. And we're just going to repeat this. So right over here is our next V-stitch. You'll be able to see the 2 double crochets all worked into that same chain 1 space. And you're going to repeat this by working 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, all worked into that same chain 1 space. And let's go ahead and work on this together again. So right over here is our next V-stitch. So using this chain 1 space, let's go ahead and work 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet, all worked into that same chain 1 space. You're going to continue and repeat this pattern across, and I'll meet you at the end of row 3. I'm coming to the end of row 3, and this is how it looks like. And to finish this row right over here where we have this V-stitch, let's go ahead and work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, all worked into that chain space with the double crochet. So right here we did our chain 4, and then we have the double crochet, and into that space we worked a new V-stitch. For row 4 and the rest of the row, we're just going to repeat row 2. We're going to start by chaining 4, turn your work, and right over here into this very first V-stitch, go ahead and work 1 double crochet. And into the next V-stitch, which is right over here, into this chain 1 space, work a V-stitch, which is 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. And let's repeat this. Into the next V-stitch, work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. So you're just repeating the same pattern. You're going to continue and repeat this row 2 for the rest of the rows, and then I will let you know how many rows I work on once I finish my shawl. I worked a total of 85 rows, and it is measuring at 48 inches long by 15.5 inches wide. You can add more rows or work less rows, it is up to you. Let's go ahead and weave in the yarn tails. I worked a total of 85 rows, and to finish we're just going to go ahead and chain 1 and go ahead and cut your yarn. Pull out your hook and tighten it. Let's go ahead and weave in the yarn tail. Using the tapestry needle, we're just going to come right down towards the double crochets. So I'm picking up the loops of the last double crochet that I worked, and I'm just bringing the yarn tail towards the inside of the work where the double crochets are. And right over here, I'm just going to pick up these loops. I have a total of 4 loops, so I'm just going to pick up all 4 loops with my needle and pull through. And now I'm just going to go ahead and drop 1 loop and pick up the 3 loops and come right back with the needle towards you, pull through. And one more time, I'm just going to go ahead and drop 1 loop and pick up as many loops as I can. I can even come right over here and pick up more loops on this side. And now go ahead and pull through, and you are finished. You can go ahead and cut your yarn tail and repeat the same thing to the other yarn tail. And our shawl is all finished. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.